In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use and where to find backgrounds in Microsoft Teams. If you want to make your video calls look cleaner, more professional, or just a little more private, Microsoft Teams gives you built-in background options that are very easy to access once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find those settings during a call or meeting and how to choose the video effect you want. To begin, make sure you are already in a Microsoft Teams call or meeting. These background controls are available while the meeting is active, so once you're inside the call, you can access the visual settings directly from the meeting toolbar. Next, look for the More option in the meeting controls. This is where Teams keeps extra settings that aren't always shown right away on the main bar. Clicking More opens a menu with additional tools and options for managing your meeting experience. If you don't immediately see the toolbar, move your mouse slightly over the meeting window and it should appear. From that menu, click Video Effects and Settings. This is the area where Microsoft Teams lets you adjust how your camera appears to other people in the meeting. It's also where you'll find the available background features. Depending on your version of Teams, this panel may open on the side of the screen, giving you a preview of how the selected effect will look before or while it is applied. Once you're in the Video Effects and Settings section, select the video effect option you want. This is where you can choose from the available backgrounds or other visual effects provided by Teams. For example, you may see options that blur your background or replace it with a preset image. Choosing the right option can help reduce distractions behind you and keep the focus on your face during the meeting. As you make your selection, it's a good idea to quickly check the preview if one is available. That way, you can confirm that the effect looks natural and that your face remains clearly visible. If the lighting in your room is uneven, some effects may look better than others, so don't be afraid to try a few until you find one that works well. And that's it. That's how to find and use backgrounds in Microsoft Teams during a call or meeting. Once you've done it once, it becomes very quick to adjust before future meetings, so you can look more polished and meeting ready every time.